the cost to hire, especially in the non-tech side as well, worked out phenomenally. My name is Steph Wingrove. I am the Senior Talent Acquisition Manager at Dexory. Dexory are a robotic tech startup. We were using the same as a lot of other tech startups in terms of LinkedIn, that's a big one. In terms of a couple of other job boards, we kind of found the same users we're either reaching out to, or we get the same users that keep applying over and over. And we just wanted to reach a bit more of a broader audience. When we signed up to Cord, I know you guys were saying about how you're broadening and you're going outside of tech, which is why we advertised on Cord as well. I didn't really expect the response rate that we actually got. We had something like 67 applicants, but I ended up speaking to about 50% of them anyway. And then a good 50% of those went through the interview stages. The users on Cord seem to be way more responsive than people say from job adverts, and then we have to email them back, or we try and call them, or etc. Whereas on Cord, it seemed that everyone seemed to be permanently on there. They replied almost straight away. When sourcing, we're seeing so many more senior people that are coming through rather than junior people. Where we are at the moment as a startup, unfortunately, our teams don't really have time to sit and train. So a lot of our positions are for the more experienced caliber of candidates. And on Cord, that's pretty much all we're seeing is a far more senior caliber. With the information that people put into Cord, it makes it so much easier for us to basically find the right skill set for us to actually source people overall. The message templates are very good. It does tailor to each individual as well, so that's incredibly handy. In Cord in general, so that's tech and non-tech, it's been 4 so far. The 2 non-tech roles, so sales director and PR manager. The sales director, we had a similar role previously. We hadn't signed up to Cord then, so that did take a while through job boards and through LinkedIn, etc. This time round, where I did advertise it on Cord, then it took 28 days to fill. It works out with the tech and the non-tech roles together. The cost per hire is something like £1,200. The cost to hire, especially in the non-tech side as well, worked out phenomenally.